Hello students, now we are going to study the next part of the chapter decimals, that is using decimals. In this part we are going to study how and where we are using decimals in our daily life, that we are going to study, as well as conversion of units from one unit to another unit, that also we are going to study. Now here first we will discuss about money. We know that 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. Yes or no? Therefore 1 paisa is equal to 1 upon 100 rupees. We know that 1 paisa means what? Out of 100 paise, 1 paisa. Right? Yes or no? That is equal to this 1 upon 100 means what? 100. We know that. And how we can write in decimal form? 0.01. See one more example here. 65 paise is equal to 65 upon 100. As 1 paisa, 1 upon 100 rupees. In the same way, 65 paise, 65 upon 100 rupees. Now 65 upon 100 we can write in the decimal form as 0.65 rupees. Therefore 65 paise means 0.65 rupees. Next we will discuss about length. We know that students 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Yes or no? Then 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. Okay. Now therefore 1 upon 1000 can be written in this way in decimal form. That is 0.001. Here 3 zeros we have in the denominator. So write numerator as it is and before 3 digit put decimal point. You will get its answer. Now 1 meter in kilometer, how to be written? 0.001 kilometer. We also know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Yes or no? Therefore 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. And 1 upon 100 can be written as 0.01 meter. As well as we know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Therefore 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 10 centimeter. And that is 0.1 centimeter. Next one is weight. We know that students 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. Therefore 1 gram is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilogram. And 1 upon 1000 can be written as 0.001 kilogram. Now let's study some questions from exercise 8.4. First question, express as rupees using decimals. Now this 5 paise we are going to express as rupees. Therefore 5 paise is equal to rupees 5 upon 100. And that is 5 upon 100 is equal to 0.05. How we written? See here students. Write numerator as it is 5 first. And then in the denominator we have 2 zeros. So before 2 digit put decimal point. 1, 2 decimal point. And then here 0. Then rupees 0.05. See one more example here. 50 rupees 90 paise we have to convert into the rupees. Now this 50 rupees already in rupees only. So only this 90 paise we are going to convert into the rupees first. So 90 paise is equal to 90 upon 100 in rupees. Okay, 90 and upon 100 we can write as rupees 0.90. Therefore 50 rupees 90 paise is equal to this 50 rupees as it is, and 90 paise means rupees 0.90. Therefore 50 plus 0.90 is 50.90 rupees. Therefore 50 rupees 90 paise we can write as rupees 50.90. Next question is express as meters using decimals. Now we will see one example. 419 centimeter we have, and now we have to express as meters. This 419 centimeter. We know that students 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. In the same way 419 centimeter is equal to 419 upon 100 meter. Yes or no? Now this we know how to convert into the decimals. Now this 419 write down as it is. Now in the denominator we have 2 zeros, right? So before 2 digit put decimal point. Therefore 419 will become 4.19 meter. Now see here one more example. That is 2 meter 45 centimeter. This 2 is already in meters. Now only convert this 45 centimeter into the meter. We know that students 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. Therefore 45 centimeter is equal to 45 upon 100. And 45 upon 100 how to write? See here 0.45. 45 written as it is before 2 digit decimal point. So it becomes 0.45 meter. Now see this 2 meter 45 centimeter is equal to 2 meter already we have. Now in that we have to add 0.4 meter. Therefore 2 meter and 45 centimeter will become 2.45 meter. Now next question is express as centimeter using decimals. In that first example 9 centimeter and 8 millimeter. Now here students see this 9 is already in centimeter, so no need to convert. 8 millimeter we are going to convert into the centimeter. We know that 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 10 centimeter. Therefore 8 millimeter is equal to 8 upon 10 centimeter. And that is 0.8 centimeter. Therefore, 9 centimeter 8 millimeter is equal to 9 plus 0.8 centimeter, and that is 9.8 centimeter. See one more example here. 164 millimeter is equal to how many centimeter? We know that 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 10 centimeter. Therefore, 164 millimeter is equal to 164 upon 10 centimeter. Now this 164 write down as it is. Here in the denominator only 1 0 we have. Before one digit put decimal point. Therefore 16.4 centimeter will be the answer. Therefore 164 millimeter is equal to 16.4 centimeter. Now next question is express as kilometer using decimals. Now here number is given in meter. We have to express as kilometer. Students, we know that 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer, right? Therefore 8 meter is equal to 8 upon 1000 kilometer, and this 8 upon 1000 can be written as 0.008 kilometer. See here 3 zeros are there in the denominator, so before 3 digit decimal point. Therefore 8 meter is equal to 0.008 kilometer. See one more example here. 70 kilometer 5 meter. The 70 is already in kilometer, so only 5 meter will convert into the kilometer. 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer, that we know. Therefore 5 meter is equal to 5 upon 1000 kilometer. And then that can be written as 0.005 kilometer. Therefore 70 kilometer 5 meter is equal to 70 kilometer as it is plus 5 meter means 0.005 kilometer. Therefore 70 plus 0.005 kilometer is equal to 70.005 kilometer. Now next question is express as kilogram using decimals. One example you can see here, 3750 gram we have to convert into the kilogram. We know that 1 gram is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilogram. Therefore 3750 gram is equal to 3750 upon 1000 kilogram. And that we can write in the decimal form now. 3750 write down as it is. Here 3 zeros are there. Before 3 digit put decimal point. Now 3750 gram become 3.750 kilogram. See one more example here. 26 kilogram 50 gram. Now here 26 is already in kilogram, so only convert this 50 gram into the kilogram. Okay, 1 gram is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilogram, that we know. Therefore 50 gram is equal to 50 upon 1000 kilogram. And 50 upon 1000 we can write as in the decimal in this way. That is 0.050 kilogram. How? See, write down 50 as it is. Now before 3 digit decimal point, so before 2 digit we have 1 more 0 I added here, and before 3 digit I put decimal point. Now it becomes 0.050 kilogram. Okay. Now therefore 26 kilogram 50 gram is equal to 26 kilogram write down as it is. Now 50 gram means we know that 0.050 kilogram. Now 26 plus 0.050 is equal to 26.050 kilogram. I hope you understood this part. Thank you students, and have a nice day.